A Korean chef taught me a trick that makes pork tenderloin incredibly flavorful. It's surprising. Here, I've already started seasoning 2 pork tenderloins with salt and black pepper. Watch until the end to see the amazing result of this recipe. Don't forget to repeat the process on the other side so they're well seasoned. With a hot skillet, add a little olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. As soon as the butter melts, add the pork tenderloins. Fry them until they're golden and crispy on the outside, with an irresistible texture, while keeping the inside juicy and tender, ensuring the perfect balance of crunch and flavor. After frying the tenderloins well, remove them from the skillet and set them aside on a plate. Next, we'll need to dice 2 onions. The onion will give a special touch to the sauce, making everything even more delicious. Add the chopped onion to the same skillet where we fried the meat and sauté until it's golden and fragrant. I'm sure you'll love the final result of this recipe. Let me know if you've ever seen a recipe like this before. After the onion is well sautéed, add 5 minced garlic cloves. Mix everything very well. Next, we'll need to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir well so it blends with the ingredients. Once everything is well combined, add 240 milliliters of chicken broth and mix well. The sauce will be super creamy and packed with flavor. To finish, adjust the taste with a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out in the next video. Now put the pork tenderloins back in the skillet and let them cook for a few minutes so they're well covered with the sauce and absorb all the delicious flavor. For a final touch, add a little chopped parsley on top, bringing freshness and color to the dish. And it's ready. You've just made the most delicious pork tenderloins of your life. I guarantee you'll fall in love with the creamy and irresistible flavor of this dish. Share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know the secrets and tips you use to make your recipes even more special. Also, don't forget not only to share the recipe with your friends and family, but also to rate the recipe from 0 to 10 so I know if you're enjoying it. If you're loving this recipe and already drooling, don't forget to like the video and leave your comment below, telling me what you thought. If you make it at home, tag us on social media. We want to see the result. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next recipe.